Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2021 BMW R18. This bike has never been registered before, so it's considered new. And it has that really cool old cafe look to it. That's what BMW was going for. But it also has all the nice luxury things of a modern motorcycle. It has ABS, front and rear, and it also runs off of a key fob. You can lock the forks, but you don't need the key to start the bike. This thing looks really cool. It's really fun to ride. That key fob. Power button also has heated grips. So when you hit the power button, everything turns on. And you can see that our mileage is 395. Those were all demo miles. Has a safety switch. You have to pull the clutch in when you start the bike, so give me just a second. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides. Come ride this thing. It is super fun.